Which plant is this?
That one is sukuma wiki.
This one?
It's also the same.
What about this one?
That is celery.
And this one?
That is marigold.
And this one?
That is, let's see, strawberry.
That's strawberry?
Yes. You know you'll fall on my plants.
This is strawberry.
Yeah, that's a strawberry.
What about?
Don't step on that thing. I told you that thing will start smelling right now.
What is this?
Don't pluck. What? Be careful with my plants. They're delicate.
What are these?
That is Scotch bonnet. You should be careful. You should be careful. You should be very careful. I know you've not asked something. There's something you've not asked. Do you know what this is?
I think they're mangoes or pears.
What do you mean mangoes or pears?
Passion fruit.
Is this a tree? This is not passion fruit. Be careful with this.
They are tomatoes.
Good girl. This is also marigold, and I don't know why it's drying. Why is it drying?
Scotch bonnet.
Yeah, this is Scotch bonnet.
And what are these white flowers?
Please be careful with my plants.
What are these white flowers for?
See, that is where the fruit comes from. That is where the fruit comes from. This fruit. Look. This is also Scotch bonnet. And you see this fruit?
Yep.
This fruit came from the flower. It came
That's
from the
a
flower.
fruit.
Yes.
It looks like more like a vegetable.
Okay, but is it not a vegetable fruit? A fruit vegetable. Something like that. So the other things there, they are the same. And this one, do you know this one?
Which one? This one.
Yes.
Hello.
Spring onions. Vitunguu vya matawi. We are through, Mama. We are through. We are through. There's nothing else there. There's nothing else there. There's something else you've not asked.
Which one?
Come, I show you. Come, I show you.
Okay.
Do you know what this is?
Which one?
This one.
No.
Look at it. It has already fruited.
Scotch bonnet.
No,
Scotch bonnet.
this is not Scotch bonnet. This is bell pepper, sweet. Inaitwa sweet bell pepper. Capsicum also. Then you can also call it hoho in Kiswahili. Sawa?
Yep.
And it has fruited. Many of them are fruited.
And I want to ask you, what's that?
That is strawberry.
Oh.
You see, even this strawberry. Look at this strawberry.
But
It hata hiyo flower ilishani nili pluck. Unaona hii?
ouch.
It will flower. Hii ni flower. This is a flower.
This one is?
It's a flower. I don't know its name.
This one.
No, this is Scotch bonnet. It's just the
Scotch
same.
bonnet.
Look at
Yes.
this one. Lemon
Oh,
balm. Lemongrass.
And this is aloe vera.
Yes, that is aloe vera.
Indania.
Hiyo ni celery. It's celery. Celery. That is an aloe vera.
I said. And this one?
That is also celery. This is a flower also. This is another type of a flower. It flowers purplish. I think it's purple. It produces purple flowers. This one has. Look at this Scotch bonnet. This one is
Scotch bonnet taste
good.
good?
Inaweza kunona.
Does Scotch bonnet taste good?
Crazy. No, it's spicy. It's very spicy. There's so many. In this one, there's so many.
This leaf looks good.